Can we survive without food? Certainly not. Food and oxygen are two ingredients which are absolutely essential for life. When human beings didn't know how to grow plants, they were the food gatherers. They led a nomadic life. They moved from one place to another just like animals to look for food. But as the civilizations developed, their ability to grow plants required for food and other things also improved, and thus came agriculture. The word agri means field. So the word agri means field and culture is cultivation. Which means that we grow plants on a large piece of land. So when same type of plant is grown on a piece of land, it is called crop. So once human beings knew how to grow plants in a field, then came the agriculture. So we can say one source of food is agriculture and other is of course animals, because animals also provide food. Human beings were not only food gatherers, they were also animal hunters. They hunted animals for food, for their leather and for other purposes. They also used later on animals for some domestic purposes, and that is how they started domesticating animals. And from there came the animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the science which deals with the domesticating of animals. All the domesticated animals together are called livestock. So with the development of animal husbandry and agriculture, to some extent our food problem was solved. Now a country like India, which has faced population explosion, is always looking for more resources of food. You know, when India achieved its independence, it had about 40 million people, but today we are 1 billion, and soon we will require about 1.25 billion tons of food. Because not only we have to cater for the existing population, we also have to estimate how much of increase will be required, because population is increasing. In fact, population is increasing many-fold more than the food. Yes, I know, we have had green revolution, which has solved our problem to a large extent. But green revolution, like many other things, has its flip side. The soil has become infertile. The agriculture has become an industry which is very expensive, because all the modern inputs are expensive. So what is happening? Although we are growing more food, we often read in the newspapers that the farmers are committing suicide. If so much of food is being produced and our warehouses are full of food grains, as our leaders always claim, then why the farmers are killing themselves? Why there is so much of poverty? Why people do not have access to food? Why everybody is always talking of inflation? Because growing food is one thing and having the money to buy it is another. And having an access to food and to money is another game. So we have to take care of all these aspects. In olden times, what used to happen? The farmer was always exploited by the money lender. So our government pitched in. Now easy loans are available, but then of course we know there is red tapeism even in that. So you see, the agriculture, which is our main pillar, has many obstacles and we have to deal with all of them. So what does that mean? We have to manage our food resources. We have to manage our agricultural practices. What do we understand by management? You see, our land cannot increase beyond a point, because we need forests also, we need urban area also. So agriculture area cannot keep on increasing. We cannot keep on using fertilizers also. So what do? That means within the existing resources, with all its constraints, we have to have maximum output. And this is what is management. Management is when you use your, or you can say when you optimize your resources, that is the management. And every step, every stage is so crisply done that there is no wastage. So, in agriculture also today there is management. So, do not get bogged down by the word management, because today the magic word is MBA or the management. But I am not talking it as the miracle word. I am going to talk about it in a practical sense, how everything, every simple single step can be efficiently done. So, to me, management is efficient optimizing of resources.